Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Scene script. Have you ever wondered what would happen if we were closer to the Milky Way's edge? The Milky Way, our home in the cosmos, is a vast and sprawling galaxy. Picture a grand cosmic city, with neighborhoods of stars clustered together, separated by vast tracts of interstellar space. At its core, a supermassive black hole reigns supreme, while countless stars, planets, and other celestial bodies spin around it in a magnificent cosmic dance. Our galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy, which means it has a central bar-shaped structure composed of stars around which spiral arms unfurl. These arms are the galaxy's suburbs, home to a mix of old and young stars, gas, and dust. It's in one of these spiral arms, more specifically the Orion arm, that our solar system resides. But where are we exactly in the Milky Way? Well, imagine if the galaxy was a giant cosmic pizza. In this case, we wouldn't be at the cheesy center, nor would we be at the crusty edge. We're more or less halfway out, about 26,000 light-years from the galactic center. That's right, our solar system is not at the heart of the action, but rather, we're in the galactic suburbs. This position offers us a relatively calm and stable environment, away from the chaos and radiation that's found closer to the galactic center. Yet, we're still close enough to participate in the grand cosmic ballet that unfolds around us. Now, what if our cosmic address was different? What if we were closer to the edge of the Milky Way? What would our night sky look like? Would our existence even be possible? These are fascinating questions, aren't they? We're not at the center nor at the edge, but comfortably nestled in one of the spiral arms. But let's embark on a journey of imagination and explore what life might be like closer to the Milky Way's edge. Imagine for a moment we were closer to the Milky Way's edge. How different would things be? The edge of the Milky Way, our galactic home, is a place of wonder and mystery. It's a region where stars are fewer and farther between, where the light of distant galaxies becomes more prominent in the night sky. Here, the cosmic dust and gas that make up the bulk of the galaxy's visible matter thin out, creating a stark contrast to the densely packed core we're accustomed to. At the edge, we'd find ourselves in a more tranquil part of the universe, a place where the quiet hum of cosmic radiation is the dominant soundtrack. We'd be farther from the bustling activity of the galactic core, where stars are born and die in spectacular explosions. The edge of the Milky Way is like the quiet outskirts of a vibrant metropolis, offering a more peaceful existence, but at the cost of the excitement and energy found closer to the center. Our current position, roughly 26,000 light-years from the galactic center, places us in a lively neighborhood of the Milky Way. We're in the Orion arm, a minor spiral arm located between two major ones. Here we enjoy a balanced view of our galaxy. We have a front-row seat to witness the birth of new stars, yet we're far enough to avoid the destructive forces of supernovae. Being closer to the edge would mean a darker night sky, with fewer stars to light up the darkness. Our solar system would be more isolated with fewer neighboring stars. Cosmic events like supernovae or black hole mergers would be less frequent sights. On the other hand, the view of the universe beyond our galaxy would be less obscured, offering a clearer look at the cosmos. The edge of our galaxy may seem serene, but it comes with its own unique challenges. It's a place of isolation and quiet, a stark contrast to our bustling cosmic neighborhood. So, while the thought of being closer to the edge of the Milky Way might seem appealing, it's worth remembering that our current position in the galaxy has its own unique benefits. Could life exist in these harsh conditions? This is a question that has intrigued scientists and space enthusiasts alike for decades. Let's delve into the potential for life at the edge of the Milky Way. The edge of the Milky Way, also known as the galactic rim, is a region vastly different from our own comfortable corner of the galaxy. It's a place where stars are fewer and farther between, where the light from our galaxy's core barely reaches, and where cosmic radiation is far more intense. In this remote celestial wilderness, the conditions for life as we know it would be challenging, to say the least. The scarcity of stars means fewer solar systems, fewer planets, and consequently fewer chances for life to emerge. Even if life were to develop, the sparse stellar neighborhood could limit the opportunities for that life to evolve and flourish. Then there's the issue of cosmic radiation. In the outer reaches of the galaxy, the Milky Way's magnetic field is weaker, providing less protection against the onslaught of cosmic rays. These high-energy particles can be damaging to life, leading to mutations and other forms of biological havoc. Yet despite these challenges, we can't rule out the possibility of life completely. After all, life on Earth has proven to be incredibly resilient and adaptable, thriving in conditions once thought to be uninhabitable. Who's to say that somewhere out there in the vast expanse of the galactic rim, life hasn't found a way to endure, to adapt, to thrive? Perhaps out there on the edge, life doesn't look like anything we'd recognize. It could be that life in such harsh conditions has evolved in ways we can't even begin to imagine. It's a tantalizing thought, one that continues to inspire scientists and stargazers alike. So, while the edge of the Milky Way presents a host of challenges to life as we know it, we can't discount the possibility entirely. The universe has a way of surprising us after all. Life, as we know it, would likely struggle in the outskirts of our galaxy. But who knows? Maybe, just maybe, life on the edge is more resilient than we think. But what if we were to move our solar system closer to the edge? Let's consider this hypothetical scenario for a moment. Imagine our solar system, with its 8 planets, countless asteroids, and the radiant sun at its center, shifting its location within the Milky Way. By moving closer to the edge, we'd find ourselves in a less densely populated region of the galaxy, which could have some interesting implications. Firstly, the gravitational forces at play might change. Our solar system is currently held in a delicate balance by the gravity of the Milky Way's vast number of stars. If we were closer to the edge, with fewer stars around us, this balance could be disrupted. The orbits of our planets might change, and we could potentially even lose some of the outermost objects in our solar system to the pull of nearby galaxies. But what would this mean for life on Earth? Well, the conditions that allow life to exist here are influenced by many factors, not least of which is our distance from the Sun. If the Sun's orbit around the galaxy were to change, it could have a knock-on effect on Earth's climate. We could experience changes in temperature and weather patterns, which could, in turn, affect ecosystems and biodiversity. Additionally, our position in the galaxy also protects us from high-energy cosmic rays, which are harmful to life. Being closer to the edge might expose us to more of these rays, posing a risk to life as we know it. However, it's not all doom and gloom. On the brighter side, being closer to the edge could provide us with a unique perspective of our galaxy. We might be able to see more of the Milky Way's spiral arms, and the night sky could be filled with a greater number of visible galaxies. In conclusion, while we can't predict exactly what would happen, it's clear that moving our solar system closer to the edge would alter our cosmic environment in significant ways. Moving our solar system closer to the edge would certainly make for a different view of the night sky. So, what have we learned about our potential position closer to the Milky Way's edge? We've taken a fantastic journey through the cosmos, delving into the possibilities of a different cosmic address. We explored the layout of our galaxy, the Milky Way, and how its structure and components define the conditions within it. From the bustling galactic center with its supermassive black hole, to the tranquil suburbs of the outer edge, our galaxy is a fascinating place. We then ventured to the edge of the Milky Way, a region less dense with stars and interstellar matter. We imagined what life might be like on a hypothetical planet located there. The night sky would be darker, with fewer stars visible, but a grand view of the cosmos beyond our galaxy. But we also discussed the potential challenges such a location might pose. The lower abundance of elements needed for life, the increased exposure to intergalactic radiation, and the isolation from the galactic community are all factors to consider. But what does this all mean for us, snug in our current position about 2/3 of the way out from the center of the Milky Way? Simply put, it highlights the importance of our cosmic neighborhood. Our location within one of the galaxy's spiral arms places us in a region rich with the elements necessary for life. We're sheltered from the harsher conditions of both the galactic center and the outer edge, and we're situated ideally to observe and study our galaxy and the universe beyond. In essence, our current position in the galaxy is a bit like Goldilocks porridge, not too hot, not too cold, but just right. It's a testament to the extraordinary balance of conditions that have allowed life to flourish here on Earth. While the edge of the Milky Way may seem enticing, our current position offers us a unique perspective and conditions conducive to life. It's a cosmic location we should appreciate.
Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.